Hi, today I'm going to talk about pasting service, dealing with multiple service. And right now we have multiple service down here. So in this case, I have a drainage line, which is we did last video, and the terrace, which we did before. Okay, so here is the terrace and here is the drainage line. Before we pasting the service, I want to show you how to show one service and don't show the other. It's actually made by here the service style. Okay, if you change to no display, they will not display the service. Okay, but if you change to other, so these are all the server style they set up before. If you change somewhere else, um, for example, I changed right now. I'm changed to this one, and you can edit them, and you can always edit them. Okay, so I just show the contours right now, so they will show up. Okay, um, and you can see this one is, and I show it's same color, right? Because this is a server style, it's background. Okay, when we say background, they're all the same color. Okay, so you can just play with them. Usually you can change to design. You can do that. You know, um, this is drainage line, so drainage line is a design style, right? And you could hide them by just edit this style. Just remember the style you edit is on this um, design contour 1 meter to 5 meter design ones. Okay, you could just change down there. Okay, they will disappear, right? But if you change to other style, they will go to other style. Okay, so if you go back to the style you edited before, you go to this style. So just understand this point. Okay, you can do multiple styles. Okay, this border, major contour, minor contour. Okay, this kind of thing. Background, so I will go back to design, go to service property. So this is background. I will go back to design, click apply, so it will be the same. Okay, so remember that. And then one thing I would love to do is to paste the service. Actually, there are two services I want to paste just to let you know the final result of these two things. Okay. So it's very simple. You just create a service, right click, create service, and just name it like final service. Click OK. So you have that. You have final service down here. So what you do is where you just go to definition, and there's one called edit. So what you do is right click, and there's one option called add paste service. Okay, once you click that, and there's three services you can choose, which is the three service we have, right? But one principle you want to learn from is you always want to paste the existing service and then paste the proposed service last. Okay, and also the service who you paste last wins. Okay, um, so for example, if you hit the existing contour and you hit the trench, then the trench, the drainage line, then the drainage line gonna be show, um, it's gonna be cut in. Okay, but if you paste the drainage line first and then paste the existing contour, then the drainage line is gonna be filled because existing contour is higher than the drainage line. Okay, so you'll see what happens. I just click, so I choose existing rhino contours in this one, click OK, and then I go to edit again and then paste service again, and I choose drainage line and click OK, and you will see there's a new service created. You could just choose not this one. There should be, yeah, this one in between. If you go to object viewer, you can see here. This is the trench we have. Okay, this is the final service we have. Okay, so pretty cool. The same thing with the terrace. What you can do is you just go right click and go to paste service and hit this terrace class. You hit OK, and there's another new one. So to paste this one into our final service also, and you see here all our drawings gonna be showing up here. Okay, so this is kind of the workflow, not workflow. This is kind of the basic things, how paste off service works. Okay, so in this after this video, you should able to do those simple elements, okay, like terrains and drainage lines, which is you should able to grade a face, and you should be able to grade a linear line. Okay, that's basically what we are talking about for now. Okay, so that's this. I will see you